if you're experiencing low performance while playing Minecraft, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance your performance in the game. Step 1. Adjust video settings. Go to the game's video settings and lower the graphics settings. Set the render distance to a low value, turn off fancy graphics, and disable smooth lighting to reduce the load on your system. Step 2. Allocate more RAM. Open the Minecraft launcher and navigate to the Installations tab. Select the profile you use, click on More Options, and increase the amount of RAM allocated to Minecraft. This can help the game run more smoothly. Step 3. Install performance mods. Consider installing mods like Optifine, which can significantly improve performance by providing additional settings and optimizations. Follow the installation instructions for the mod to ensure it works correctly. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Check for updates for your graphics card drivers. Visit the manufacturer's website such as NVIDIA or AMD to download and install the latest drivers, which can enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 5. Close background applications. Before launching Minecraft, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing Minecraft to utilize more of your computer's power for better performance. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in Minecraft's performance. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.